How to add vanilla gift card to DoorDash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add vanilla gift card to DoorDash. For this, you want to open the DoorDash app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Now, to use your vanilla gift card, you first need to register it online. So if you have not done that already, make sure you register it. This step is crucial because DoorDash requires a billing address for all debit and credit card transactions, and registering your card aligns it a billing address. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the top of your screen. Then from here you want to select the payment methods option. Now there is an option of gift cards, but for vanilla gift card that's not the option you want to choose. Go ahead and tap on the payment methods option instead. Now here you will find the option of credit/debit card. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to enter your vanilla gift card number over here on this box. Once you have entered it, next you want to enter the expiration date of your vanilla gift card. Then you want to enter the CVV number. Then you want to enter the postcode. After that is done, tap on the add card option. If the details you've entered is correct, your vanilla gift card will be successfully added to DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.